Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am going to share my review of the TEDx talk The Waheed of Life, The Wheel of Life by Bilal bin Saqid. This TEDx talk teaches that life is like a wheel with many important these part, parts includes education, health, family, friendship, career and personal growth. And one part is missing or life can become unbalanced. Bilal bin Saqib explained that success is not only about earning money or getting good, great, true success come when we give time and attention to all important hour of life. The speaker also includes us the keep learning, work hard, and stay positive. He says every person should set goal and try to improve themselves every day. One important lesson I learned from this talk is that balance is very important. We should take care of studio, health, family, and future at the same time. Overall, I found this talk very informative and motivating. Encourages me to work hard, stay balanced, and continue learning. Thank you for listening to my decision. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.